Yo, what's going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I just got in one of my big parts from RaceWire Solutions. I've been waiting on this stuff since Black Friday, so I got a few big things from them. So enough of me yapping, let's do a little unboxing here. Okay, so to first start, instructions back here. The instruction pamphlet for the PowerCore 3, which is what I got. Essentially, it's just a fancy fuse box that you can add all your stuff onto and whatnot. So what you get in the box is, what is this? Well, I'll put that off to the side. You get 15 foot of colored wire. Hold on, give me a second here, guys. Is that one thing, or? I guess that's one thing. That's one of the output things that plugs into the fuse box. It's gonna be a nightmare getting back in, but we'll figure it out. As you can tell, you get a lot of wire. And this stuff is a couple heavy duty relays. So this little guy is my headlight switch. So headlights, taillights, turn signals, all that stuff, horn. That's what that is. There should be my column mount in here somewhere so I can mount that. Here is the steering column mount. Got a nice billet mount like that. So that's what that looks like. And this attaches to your steering column itself. We got some 6-gauge wire, just some ring connectors. This is my combo switch wiring harness that will plug into the PowerCore 3. Another one of those heavy duty relays. And what I've been waiting for. That thing is huge.
Hey yo, what the fuck? What do you mean by that?
I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller, but pretty dope. This is what the PowerCore 3 looks like. As you can tell, this thing is a beefy unit.
What? What the fuck?
And all those big connectors that are on the spools of wire, each of those will go where they're supposed to be. And this big gauge wire will obviously go back to your positive and negative back here. And here's what the inside of the fuse box looks like. Pretty dope stuff. Another one of my favorite parts here. So this is what the switch panel looks like. All these buttons were all hand-picked by me, custom made, so they laser etch these into actual switches themselves. So everything all here is fully custom built to order for my specifications. So yeah, probably went a little overkill on this. I probably could have used, I don't know, probably like an 8, but at that point, let me see here, this one takes up a spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, and have a couple auxes left over instead of having 5 different auxiliary switches left over. But I'll snag a picture off of their site so you can see what the color looks like. It's a really cool blue color that they light up in. That's really about it. I can't really tell you a whole lot about it because, I mean, this is my first time ever using their stuff. Yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.